A footballer is valued at 40 million, and then after a bad season, his transfer fee depreciates by 15%. The next season is a good one, and therefore his transfer value appreciates by 20%. Find the value of the footballer after his good season to the nearest dollar. So what's going to happen? His transfer fee is going to go down one season, and then the next season it's going to go up. So it's going to go down 15% on that one, and then it's going to go up 20% on the answer to the previous one. So let's have a look at this problem. So the value of the footballer after his good season is going to be 40 million times the bad season. Now the multiplier for a 15% decrease is going to be 1 minus 0.15, which is 0.85, because basically if it goes down by 15%, you have 85% of the 40 million left. And then, so the multiplier for a depreciation or a discount of 15% is 0.85. We have a good season, and therefore he will now go up by the 100% and then 2%, 20%, sorry. So the multiplier for appreciation of 20% is 1.2. So we'll just work that now out on our calculator. We'll worry about the million later. So 40 times 0.85 times 1.2 will give me 40.8 million. So basically it's going to go down from here and then go back up. So the answer is 40,800,000, or you could write 40.8 million. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to do a compound decrease followed by an increase. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.